You search for how to buy shares of Spartoo SA, so this video walks through the practical steps to purchase ALSPT.PA. Spartoo SA is a French online footwear and fashion retailer listed on Euronext under the ticker ALSPT.PA, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy this stock, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing any orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALSPT.PA to find the Spartoo SA listing. Make sure you select the entry that clearly references Spartoo SA on Euronext. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Check the listing details and the market venue to ensure it matches ALSPT.PA. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed at next market open. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade executes, your Spartoo position will appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.